everybody, Cindy A. Lewis here, and tomorrow starts National Craft Month. Woohoo! For all of us that love crafting and love DIYs and all of that connected to it, we have a whole month to celebrate. So, in honor of that, I am going to be doing a video a day. Oh, that's a big ask, right? But it's going to be all month long for 31 days. We're going to be doing ideas, DIYs, demos, hauls, anything that is related to crafting. And it's going to be, maybe some videos will be shorter and some videos may be longer, but it'll be a video every single day in the month of March. So check every evening to see what's up on my channel. It'll be a video every day. Now, tomorrow night, which is Monday night, March 1st, we're going to be doing live. Every Monday will be a live, and we'll start at 7 o'clock Central Time, so don't miss that. But tomorrow night, we're going to learn to make these beautiful dragonflies out of wire and beads. And you can see this is ribbon and like a little feather type thing. It was what I had. And then this is beads and some tissue. So anyway, make sure you come back tomorrow night, 7 o'clock for my DIY live, and it will be so much fun. So anyway, watch for every single night. There will be a demo, a DIY, a craft, a haul, something related to crafts to celebrate National Craft Month. Now, what I would like for you to do, if you don't mind, is comment below what is your favorite craft DIY area that you like. Is it just Dollar Tree DIYs, decor, anything? Is it paper crafting? Is it card making? Is it scrapbooking? Is it junk journals? Is it anything? I kind of like everything. So as you can see on my channel, we do a little bit of this and a little bit of that, and we just try to make it easy for everybody. And some people have special tools and some people don't. So we try to bring that whole gamut into one area, one channel, because I just have tons of likes, you know, when it comes to crafting. I'm not huge on sewing, but I can sew. I'm not an artist as far as painting, but I like to paint. So if you're kind of like that, you know, we're the same. Anyway, so comment below what's your favorite type of crafting, and I'm hoping that we can get all of that mixed in and take some of your ideas, and we'll do some of that fun stuff together starting this month, but going on throughout the rest of the year. So remember, tomorrow night, Monday night, March 1st, will be 7 p.m., we'll be live, and we'll be making these little dragonflies, kind of like different dragonflies. And then we'll also just start the rest of the week. We'll just have video every single night will be posted so that we can celebrate National Craft Month. Now, don't forget, if you're a shopper on HSN, that March 2nd is Craft Day. And I particularly love like Sarah Davies, that is on Crafter's Companion. I love Anna Griffin. She has just beautiful, delicate, nostalgic, beautiful style in her paper crafting. And you know, I love Diamond Press. Diamond Press is super fun, and Diamond Press is a fun little hand manual embosser die cutter that is really easy to use and usually pretty inexpensive. Then there's Gemini. I love the Gemini, and so that'll be fun to explore some more. I love Cricut. I mean, you guys, I have been doing crafting my entire life. since I was a little girl. So you know I have a ton of interests and I want to share those with you too. So anyway, I'm looking forward to National Craft Month. Can't wait to get together tomorrow night on live. And I hope that you'll join me every night during March for a video a night for National Craft Month. Anyway, have a great evening, and I hope that your Sunday is wonderful. So looking forward to crafting with you for National Craft Month. Bye-bye.